Welcome to the IrisLogic YouTube channel. In today's data-driven world, the ability to harness the power of Python for advanced data processing is becoming increasingly crucial. Snowpark, a feature in Snowflake, empowers you to do just that by allowing you to run Python code directly within the Snowflake data platform. So, why is this relevant? Snowflake is known for its incredible data warehousing capabilities, and Python is a versatile programming language widely used for data analysis and manipulation. The synergy between Snowflake and Python through Snowpark opens up a realm of possibilities for data professionals, analysts, and data scientists. In this video, we'll cover the following key points. An introduction to Snowpark. Prerequisites. Setting up Snowpark in Snowflake. Writing and running Python code. Integrating with Snowflake data. Advanced Snowpark features. And best practices and tips. As we mentioned earlier, Snowpark is a revolutionary feature within Snowflake, designed to bridge the gap between data processing and programming. It allows users to run Python code directly within the Snowflake data platform, essentially extending Snowflake's capabilities beyond traditional SQL-based data manipulation and analytics. This groundbreaking integration opens up a world of possibilities for data professionals and developers alike. But why is Snowpark so important? Let's explore. First, it offers seamless integration. Snowpark enables the seamless integration of Python, a widely used programming language for data analysis and machine learning, with Snowflake's powerful data warehousing capabilities. Next, versatility. Snowpark empowers users to perform a wide range of data processing tasks that were traditionally challenging within Snowflake's SQL-based environment. Python's flexibility and extensive libraries make it an ideal choice for various data transformations and analyses. And here's where it gets exciting: advanced data processing. With Snowpark, you can perform advanced data processing tasks that go beyond the capabilities of SQL alone. This includes complex data transformations, statistical analysis, machine learning, and more, all within the Snowflake platform. Snowpark also reduces data movement. By running Python code directly in Snowflake, you reduce the need to move data between different systems for analysis. This not only saves time but also ensures data security and governance. Last but not least, scalability. Snowpark leverages Snowflake's scalability, allowing you to process large volumes of data efficiently. Whether you're working with terabytes or petabytes of data, Snowpark can handle the load. Now that we've established why Snowpark is important, let's explore some use cases where it can be particularly useful. Now that we've established the importance of Snowpark, let's dive into some real-world use cases where Snowpark can be particularly useful. One of the key strengths of Snowpark is its versatility, allowing you to accomplish a wide range of data processing and analysis tasks. First up, we have advanced analytics. Snowpark is ideal for performing advanced analytics, including predictive modeling, clustering, and time series analysis. You can leverage Python's rich ecosystem of libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn to power these tasks. Next, we have data transformation. Use Snowpark to transform raw data into a format suitable for reporting or analysis. You can easily clean, reshape, and enrich your data using Python's data manipulation capabilities. Let's talk about machine learning in Snowflake. Snowpark makes it possible to build and deploy machine learning models directly within Snowflake. This eliminates the need to export data to external platforms, streamlining your machine learning workflow. For scenarios that require real-time data processing, like stream processing or handling data as it arrives into your Snowflake data warehouse, Snowpark is your ally. You can also create custom data pipelines. Combine SQL and Python to automate complex data workflows efficiently, tailoring your data processing to your specific needs. And last, but not least, data exploration. Python's visualization libraries, such as Matplotlib and Seaborn, can be employed within Snowpark for data exploration, helping you create insightful visualizations. Before we jump into the exciting world of Snowpark, there are a few prerequisites you'll need to fulfill. First and foremost, you'll need access to a Snowflake account. To use Snowpark and Snowflake, having a Snowflake account is essential. If you or your organization don't already have one, don't worry. You can easily set up a Snowflake trial account by following these steps. Visit the Snowflake website at www.snowflake.com. Look for the option to sign up for a trial account or request a demo, and follow the registration process by providing the necessary details. After registration, you'll receive an email with instructions for verifying your email address. Once your email is verified, you can log into your Snowflake account. Additionally, having some basic Python knowledge is beneficial. While you don't need to be a Python expert, having familiarity with Python syntax, variables, data types, and basic programming concepts will help you follow along with the Python code examples in Snowflake Python Worksheets. Make sure you have the access permissions required in your Snowflake account. Depending on your organization's setup, you may need to work with your Snowflake administrator to configure these permissions. You should also be able to access Snowflake's web interface or client tools. This will allow you to create and run Python worksheets within Snowflake. Once you've fulfilled these prerequisites, you'll be all set to dive into Snowpark in Snowflake Python Worksheets. Now that you've fulfilled the prerequisites, it's time to set up Snowpark in your Snowflake account. First, let's start with enabling Snowpark in your Snowflake account. Begin by logging into your Snowflake account. You can do this by visiting the Snowflake web interface or using Snowflake's command line tools. Next, to enable Snowpark, you'll need appropriate privileges. If you're unsure about your privileges, don't worry, you can contact your Snowflake administrator for guidance. Once you've confirmed that you have the required privileges, you can proceed to enable Snowpark by executing a specific command in a SQL worksheet. Replace your role, your warehouse, your database, and your schema with the appropriate values for your environment. Opening a Python worksheet, after enabling Snowpark, you can access Python worksheets from the Snowflake web interface or client tools. Look for the option to create a new worksheet and select Python as the language. The Python worksheet interface in Snowflake resembles a typical code editor. You can write Python code directly in the worksheet, and there is a space for code execution and result display. We'll showcase some basic Python operations and data manipulation examples within Snowflake, and we'll explain how to execute Python code and view the results. The Python worksheet provides a code editor where you can type your Python code. It's similar to a typical code editor, with syntax highlighting and auto-indentation. You can import Python libraries within the worksheet using standard Python import statements. Let's showcase some basic Python operations and data manipulation within Snowflake's Python worksheets. Let's start with basic arithmetic operations. You can perform fundamental arithmetic operations just like you would in Python. And here's the result. Now, let's move on to working with lists. In Snowpark Python worksheets, you can create and manipulate lists. Here, we're creating a list and adding elements. You have the full power of Python at your disposal to work with lists, including functions like append, remove, and more. Finally, we have data manipulation with pandas. Pandas is a versatile library for data manipulation, and you can use it within Snowflake Python worksheets. Here's an example where we're using pandas to work with a data table. You can filter, transform, and analyze data efficiently. With pandas, data manipulation becomes a breeze. Let's begin with connecting Python worksheets with Snowflake data. This is a crucial step in unleashing the power of Snowpark within your Snowflake environment. To connect Python worksheets with Snowflake data, follow these steps. First, establishing a connection. In your Python worksheet, you can establish a connection to your Snowflake account. You can do this by using the Snowflake Connector Python library or a similar connector. Here's an example. Executing SQL queries. Once connected, you can execute SQL queries using the connection.cursor object. Let's start by advanced Snowpark features and capabilities of Snowpark within Snowflake. We'll explore some advanced use cases, including working with external libraries, data visualization, and machine learning. You can install external libraries within your Snowflake environment using the pip magic command within a Python worksheet. Once installed, you can import and use these libraries in your Python code within Snowflake. For instance, you can use matplotlib for data visualization or custom plotting. Here's an example of using the matplotlib library to create a bar chart of sales data from Snowflake. Data visualization. Snowpark's integration with Python allows you to create rich data visualizations using libraries like matplotlib, Seaborn, or Plotly. Data visualization is essential for exploring and presenting insights from your data. You can create various types of plots, charts, and graphs directly within Snowflake's Python worksheets. Let's begin with some best practices and tips. Before diving into data processing and analysis, have a deep understanding of your data schema, quality, and business requirements. This knowledge will guide your Snowpark usage effectively. Snowflake is designed for high performance and scalability. Utilize features like automatic query optimization, clustering, and materialized views to optimize performance. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Snowpark in Snowflake. Get started, explore, and make data-driven decisions that drive your business forward. IrisLogic's team of data experts is here to help you with your Snowpark projects. We provide end-to-end solutions, including cloud hosting, data ingestion, transformation, model execution, and monitoring. Our experience with top-tier and startup companies has led to significant improvements in their big data strategies, resulting in better business outcomes. Contact us today to get started.